An animal advocacy group now says law enforcement is not doing enough to enforce Oklahoma's 20-year ban on cockfighting. This as efforts to essentially decriminalize cockfighting move through the state capitol. News 4's Taylor Mitchell picks it up from here for us. Taylor.
Well, that's right, Heather. An investigation by Animal Wellness Action and the Center for a Humane Economy suggests staged fights between birds is becoming a problem here in Oklahoma. A bill is being considered to reduce the cockfighting punishment, even after Oklahoma voters banned the cockfighting in 2002.
Republican Representative Justin Humphreys' measure to change cockfighting from a felony to a misdemeanor has passed a House committee.
I'm not trying to change people's vote. But what I am saying is that the people didn't set the penalty. The state legislators set that, and the state has voted to reduce penalties in that same time period, and that's what I'm trying to do.
At Thursday's press conference, the Animal Wellness Action and the Center for a Humane Economy groups argued law enforcement isn't taking action to stop illegal cockfighting activities. From 2004 to 2022, they say only 29 cases of cockfighting were investigated in Oklahoma, which amounts to less than 2 per year.
Law enforcement knows that cockfighting is invariably connected to gambling, and by its very existence tends to taint law enforcement for not taking action against it.
The group also claims leaders of the Oklahoma Gamefowl Commission are lobbying for lawmakers to gut the voter-approved law.
They seem to be inviting them to break the federal law. All lawmakers swear an oath to the Oklahoma Constitution and to the United States Constitution to see that the laws are enforced. I don't see that oath is being honored in advancing this legislation.
And Pacelli says the commission has made more political donations to lawmakers in the last 18 months than there have been cockfighting busts in 18 years.
And they're giving it to politicians in the hopes of influencing them.
But Representative Humphrey stresses his bill won't make cockfighting legal again.
So I believe I'm trying to do the will of the people, which is criminal justice reform.
Well, the leaders of the Gamefowl Commission sent us a statement saying in part, quote, "The claim of the leaders being involved in cockfighting, that is absolutely false." They go on to say all of the OGC leaders lobbying for reform do not participate in cockfighting. All three raise, sell, and export gamefowl overseas legally for breeding purposes only. And the animal advocacy groups also say a new federal bill is in the works to ban shipment of live adult roosters regardless of the reason. They say it would ease the enforcement burden on law enforcement in making these cases. Back to you.
Taylor, I don't think this is the last we've heard of that, and we know she'll follow it.